Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today, we're going to be creating a spread for the week of December 9th through the 15th in my catch-all planner called Moody Florals. If this is your first time joining me, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy you found me. If you have been here before and we are coming back to spend more time with me, you are seriously the bestest. So thank you so much. But here we go. Today I'm going to be using stickers from Crafty Planner Queen. This is her $2 Tuesday. These stickers are called Holidays at Home. And I just absolutely love her stickers. Excuse my sweater. My dog is like, he doesn't shed, but for some reason this sweater just picks up everything. So I have like white fur on him, but I didn't see it until I started editing this video. So I'm sorry, you guys. Okay. I know it's probably distracting. If you guys follow Crafty Planner Queen, that's amazing. If you don't, check her out. She's truly amazing. Her stickers are incredible. And today I'm going to be doing a combination of her stickers and stickers from Martinez Sticker Company, like their little deco stickers. So that's what I'm doing. As you can see, two of the stickers are already down. Those are both from Crafty Planner Queen. So yeah, we're going to be doing that today. I have this strip of washies from Martinez Sticker Company. I thought pink might be nice, but it's a different shade of pink. So if it doesn't work out, I'll be taking it off, but we shall see. Okay. So all of these beautiful decorations are from the same sheet. You would need to join this number to get this. So if you do mention my name, she'll be super happy I sent you guys. But yeah, so I'm just doing a couple big boxes for major things that are happening this week. So we are going to see some Christmas lights at some point. I think we have tickets for something with our nephew. And then yeah, I'm just gonna decorate with these little lights. They're super cute. Again, from Martinez Sticker Company. I think they're so adorable. So I have little lights and I have little sparkles from them that I'm going to be using too. So for right now, this is what we're doing. But yeah, as always, I need boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and pull Mojo Jojo's stickers and get some boxes in. And let me know about your traditions as far as holidays. Do you go see lights? So I live in the Chicago area, so we're extremely blessed with the amount of Christmas entertainment we get to pick from. And I'm pretty amazed at how much there really is out there. So yeah, we're gonna do multiple lights as always. So that'll be fun. And then if your area does a lot of stuff like that, let me know, because I'm always curious to see like what cities do what. I know, like I said, that we are extremely blessed being in Chicago. But I know that other cities, especially like New York, New Jersey, and stuff like that, are doing a lot too. So let me know where you're watching from and like what is your favorite tradition in your city. For me, it's an adult night at Arboretum. They do illumination. So these are these special lights that kind of glisten on the trees and illuminate them. And you walk through, and there's actually a whole show of like the trees being illuminated. And there's different things, like it looks like they're breathing, or it looks like there's snow falling on them, or stuff like that, or fireworks on them. It is truly incredible. If you have a chance, go ahead and check it out because, like I said, it's truly spectacular, at least for me. So yeah, so there is that. And then let's see, that is my favorite. I have done lights at the zoo and stuff like that, and that is pretty great too. I tend to do the adult nights since we don't have kiddos, but the nights with the kids when we take our nephew and stuff are just as fun, if not more fun, because you get to experience Christmas through the child's eyes, which is pretty amazing. So yeah, I'm just adding things through the spread. I don't know why, but kind of randomly, and it seems to be working out. I really am enjoying, for some reason, creating this spread, and it's really stress-free. I don't know what it's like the magic of Christmas, you guys, for me, where the magic of Christmas does its own thing and you just follow and go with it, you know? Okay, so yeah, kettle, because it's cold. And then let's go ahead and do some sparkles because those are the best. So yeah, sparkles, those are good. Yep, I need a lot of them. Okay, and then awesome. Those are from Martina's Sticker Company. Like I said, I really like a lot of her deco. They're so cute, and these are printable, so I can reprint them anytime I need, which is another perk because they can be used for so much more than just Christmas. I have different colors and different hues of them. Green is obviously picked for Christmas, particularly, especially because I didn't have a lot of green in the spread, so I wanted to bring the green up. I don't know why I don't have any green boxes, but I must have used them, and that's something that I'm gonna have to rectify. I think I have some boxes that I can print, so I might do that. But yeah, I am using so much of my Mojo Jojo stickers. My black one is basically done. It's toast. So yeah, I'm pretty sad about that, but at the same time, very, very proud for using my stickers. Okay, let's add a giant box to Sunday since I have so many things going on that weekend. So yeah, we'll cover just one of the circles. It's okay. Okay, there we go. That's gonna stay. And a couple more sparkles, and I think I'm pretty much done. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this one. I really like how I hung the mistletoe this year in here, and I think that's so much fun. My spreads are really getting me in the Christmas spirit, and I think that's all those spreads are about, to get us in a mood for Christmas, and yeah, lots of joy. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!